Hello, this is Linda. This is my takeaways from social science. My takeaways was to set up a learning objective, such as having the level of cognition, content, product, and quantity, and having those in order, and being able to understand what you mean, what you want to teach the kids. It has to be in a certain way order for you to start your lesson plan and teaching the students. Another takeaway was the Bloom's taxonomy, how it connects back to the lesson plan, how it makes a group of connecting all those three groups, such as having remembering, understanding, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. Those are the order for the students to make a process to have a development of learning what is being taught to all the classmates. My last takeaway was the learning process of working as a group. It was tough at first, but we managed to work out what we needed to do and as a group together. But also another takeaway was how making Powtoons. And that was not a new thing, but s'mores was a new thing for me to work on. But it was a great experience to experience in making s'mores, and adding a question and answering right there, and like making a video of why is it an important topic to talk about, and how it's important to use s'mores and pelts.